everyone, this is Rocky from RMS Vocal Institute, and today I'm going to talk about the epiglottis, which is one of the other ways to create distortion. So, let's do this. Alright, so what is the epiglottis? The epiglottis is basically a leaf-shaped flap in the throat, and the function of the epiglottis is basically keeps the food entering from the windpipe and the lungs. The flap is made of a elastic cartilage and it's covered by a mucous membrane which is attached to the top of the larynx. Basically, you can hear epiglottis distortion in pop music, in R&B, Motown. Singers use like Christina Aguilera, Beyonce, Jennifer Hudson, so you can roughly have an idea what type of sound you can create with the epiglottis. However, you can create a really cool rock sound, which you can hear also in the 60s, like one of the easiest way to start to activate your epiglottis or work on your epiglottis is an NG sound, like or if you are familiar with this sound, it's also very good. If you are able to create this sound, you can work on a nana sound or a lala sound, like na 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 na, or la 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 la. Obviously, this is also an advanced vocal technique, so if you have no any kind of singing background, don't start with this. You need to build up a basic foundation, a basic knowledge. And you need to know how to sing from the right position, the right placement. Then you can start to work on your epiglottis. So I hope it actually gave you some information about the epiglottis and another type of distortion. If you want to know more, then please go to rmsvocalinstitute.com or comment down below, and we are happy to help you as always. Thank you. See ya.